No matter how bad you've been, no matter how many sins you've committed, God loves you. I could talk all evening just on that. And God is not only a God of judgment, but He's a God of love. But He's also a God of mercy and forgiveness. He wants to forgive you. He offers His hand of mercy to every one of you that are willing to open your heart and receive Him into your heart. You know the 10 Commandments? Have you ever broken one of them? If you've broken one of them one time, you've broken them all. Isaiah said, all we like sheep have gone astray. We've turned everyone his own way. Instead of going God's way, we go our own way. And we get lost. And we are lost. There are 2 roads. There's a broad road, well lighted, a lot of fun, and most of us are on that road. But then there's a narrow road. The narrow road leads to heaven and paradise. Jesus is on that narrow road. And you stand at the crossroads. Which road are you going to take? You have to make a choice. You say, oh, I'm not going to make a choice. You have to. God has arranged for the fact that you cannot ignore that great decision. Because the end of the broad road is death. Natural death, but primarily spiritual death. Separated from God forever. Our souls separated from God. And that's called hell. I'm going to ask you tonight, as you stand at that crossroads, to make the right decision and come to Christ and open your heart to Him. You might have thought you were a Christian, but you're not sure. There's a little voice down inside that says, you're not sure, that you need to make this decision and be sure.